In this video we shall talk about soft skills and hard skills that are essential to be a good software testing specialist. Let's start with soft skills. First of all, a good software tester needs enhanced responsibility, because the software tester is the last border between any bug, any software fault and the end user. If a software developer may be somehow irresponsible sometimes, it's bad, but it's not a disaster. If a software tester fails to be responsible, all those troubles influence the end user or the customer. The second is good communication skills, because unlike many other IT specialists, software testers communicate a lot. They communicate with a customer, with business analysts, with developers, and so on, and so on, and so on. And in addition to communication skills, presentation skills comes. Because usually software testers perform a demo for a client, they may join some conference to talk about some nice IT ideas, and so on. All other points are really good. If one has such skills, if one is good at all these abilities, it is really nice. But it is not absolutely necessary. It's just really good. So if you want to be a great software tester, try to develop those skills in you. What about hard skills? First of all, good English, because English is the language of the whole IT industry. It doesn't matter what country are you from, who you are, what you do in your everyday life. If you are in information technologies, that means you use English, only English, and that's how it is. The second is programming skills. Of course, you may be a software tester without programming knowledge, but that knowledge may help you a lot and a lot in your everyday life, because if you know how web works, mobile devices work, and anything other works from the development point of view, you can become a more efficient tester. You may find more sophisticated bugs. Like on the previous slide, other points are great, but not quite necessary. We see the basics word everywhere here. Basics from all these ideas are really helpful. All that knowledge makes you a better specialist. It makes you a better software tester. It helps your career. This slide here is to calm those who is too frightened by the previous two. Just remember, good English, general IT knowledge, and then try to become more and more efficient, up to the perfection. And that's all for the beginning. So, with the next video we shall start diving into software testing.